I'm going to go ahead and grab all these screens. You can distribute them just like you would any objects. So um, if you're an organization nut like me, you'll get a kick out of that feature. Okay, so if you've used Figma before, I'm assuming all of you except a few might have, or if you use XD, you're familiar with this process and how arduous it can be. So you know, in the past, you've clicked in each one of these and linked them, and you would have to essentially link this one to that one, and this one to this one, then go to the next page and link that one to that one and that one. Looks like I forgot a screen. So this is a method that's going to prevent you from having to do this. Let me fix that schedule screen real quick. So I'll go to favorites, change this to schedule. Okay. Because we won't have to do that. And certainly as this project grows, we don't want to have to continually do that. So here's how you do it. So this is why I didn't I set them up individually here instead of just went ahead and built this as you might have done before. It's so I can do this very thing. If I click that object home and go to prototype, now I can link that to home, and I'm going to say on tap, navigate, screen home, and I'm going to change the animation to dissolve. It's going to give a kind of groovy little dissolve. Maybe I'll make that 100 milliseconds, or 1 second. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for, sorry, I don't have enough screen. So I'm going to do the same for schedule. I'm going to do the same for favorites. I'm going to do the same for church. I'm going to do the same for messengers. Okay, so since I established these at the component level, right? If I go to here, they all established across the board. I didn't have to do that 300 times. If you look, all of the objects here are all set, which is totally awesome. So at this point, we should be able to test, and all of our prototyping for our main structure should work without having to do a bunch of stuff, like to do it over and over again. So it looks like messages and search is a little messed up. So let's look at that. So messages, you can actually go in here and see where it's going to. So this is going to screen search. So I'm going to change it to screen messages. And I'm going to change this one to go to screen search. Okay, let's see if that's fixed. Okay, pretty amazing. Hopefully you can see the benefit of that. So if I didn't make these into components, then I would have to link this home, 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 this schedule, this schedule, this schedule. I'd have to do this 5 times 5. So I have to do it 25 times. So this is why you do things this way, to save yourself a lot of time and energy. Give yourself a central point to fix these things so you don't have to do them over and over and over and over and over again. So hopefully this light bulb is exploding in your head. You're like, oh yeah, that's so amazing. I wish I knew this from the get-go. And now you know. Okay, we're going to build one more component and then we'll be done with this one.